Takoyaki? Takoyaki.
Ой, это не аванс, ну ты поняла. Да.
Sir, can I ask what you're drinking?
This is a redneck brewing chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, chicken.
Oh, what does it do?
It gives you a little buzz.
Oh.
It's a drink mixed with a little bit of weed.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And it tastes good as well.
Tastes good?
It tastes good as well. It's not like the whole taste of
It's
weed.
the first time you're having this, huh?
Yeah.
Where'd you get this from?
From a place nearby, it sells weed and cannabis.
Cool. Thank you. Yum. More fresh fruits. But what is this? This is spare ribs. I think they're going to open more in the evening. Ooh, pizza. This is so cheap here. 35 baht only. Oh. These are sweets. Grilled mackerel. Oh my god, some of the stuff you don't even see in Bangkok. Good food here. All right, so I think these vendors are going to set up for later tonight. So Pantip Market in Koh Phangnan, and there's a big food area here too. You can order. Oh, there's a Mexican restaurant upstairs. As you see right up there. Sports bar. Oh. Some jewelry. Get it set up for the Buddhas and crystals. Oh, I miss this kebab place.
Medium, not spicy.
Is roasted chicken or pork in a glazed water jar? Oh my gosh. Wow, that's different. Yeah. This is how it turns out. 50 baht. Pork belly? And this one?
Pork pepper number 2.
Oh, pork cartilage. Very cool. Thai dessert. Tapioca dumplings. Oh, what is this?
Fries sandwich.
Ah, vegetable sandwich. Tuna. Oh, very good. Very nice. This looks like dumplings. Coconut pancake. Sawadee. Right, so I think we've done the tour. Oh, these are the bananas. Sawadee.